Well. This is my first cooking video. I don't know how it will turn out to be, but I was just thinking that maybe I should record myself as a cook, as a great cook that I am, to let the world know that no, there is this great cook somewhere. So I called my friend Ogweni. I did cook something for my eat in my house. So I decided to cook Egusi and Semo. Egusi that is complete with all the ingredients, and Semo that is well too outside to that. By me, no, nobody just love you. Oh God. You see, in this video, we see some wonders. You will see some wonders. Let us eat good food, because hunger is not part of the fruit of the spirit. Let's get right into the video. Put out the meat. Yes, you guys can see. I put it out the meat. Release the meat very well. After releasing the meat, you put it inside the pot. After putting it inside the pot, you rinse it the second time. You see, I've cut it twice so that you get. So, you do it the second time, as you can see. After rinsing it the second time, you chop all the momo. Rinse it very well. Because it is, bring out the ingredients. Yes, I have salt with me, Maggi, and alibosa, which is onion. So that's nutmeg, that's red pepper, that's salt. You see, put Maggi also. Put salt very well. Put Maggi, let the Maggi be okay with it. How do I know the measurement? Put onion. I just use my instinct. The moment my instinct told me it is okay, this Maggi is okay, I'll just stop. I'm peeling the onions here. You have to peel it very well so that the onion is very small. I don't know how the peels are not pale. So you rinse the onions. You rest pot. I don't know the English for that. You find the English yourself. You grate it inside the pot. You cut it. Yes, you cut inside the meat. What's the meaning of onion inside the pot? To soften the meat. For those that don't know, I know this thing. I'm a great cook. So I rather that, put it on fire, put water, then multitasking. You're asking what I'm doing here. I'm raising the pomo that I want to use, that I want to put inside the egusi I'm making. Our mothers in the kitchen, they do multitask. If you want to know how they multitask, they calculate everything. If you want to be good at mathematics, just go to the kitchen, see how our mother usually cook. Then you will know that no, they are trying. Kudos to all mothers there, kudos to all good mothers there, and kudos to everyone that knows how to cook. So I'm multitasking here. As the meat is on fire, I'm also cutting the onions small, so that when I put it inside fire, it will be like ingredients, like ghost beans inside the inside the egusi. So I've finished cutting it here. See, it's looking perfect and okay. So I put out the tomato and pepper, for the egusi. I'm preparing the ingredients readily okay for egusi. So put the tomato inside the the video is going inside the grater, then grate it very well. To check the thing I'm cooking, then came back here to continue grating it. What should we say? I've been doing this, don't no be now. So, says Western brothers don't know how to cook. Who says boys don't know how to cook? Who say boys are not romantic? So I'm still grating the pepper here. Still grating. So I need to pull out the egusi. The quantity of egusi I needed, I've already bring it out. Pour water, mix it so that there is not cocoa inside the egusi. Make sure the egusi is succulent. How you want the egusi to be inside fire, that's how thick and how watery you can let it be here. So I mix it together. I go back to what I'm cooking. Don't forget, resting on fire. Meat's done. Then I will cool and I put it out from fire. You see the meat is looking okay and nice. Good. So get the pot out of fire, put another pot there. See, yes, make sure the pot is dry so that when you put the palm oil inside, it will be doing. So I put out fire on the pot. I put on fire anyhow. So I pour the palm oil to make it hot. After that, so look at the pot. Make sure the palm oil is very hot, very hot before you pour out the ingredients you want to use. I see that the palm oil is not enough, so I pour another palm oil. How do I know? Instinct. Put out salt. The why I put salt inside the palm oil is to avoid fire in case the palm oil is too hot when I put out. So the grated pepper and palm oil is inside. Then I pour it inside the hot palm oil. This is locust beans, dried one. So I put it inside it. Make everything suckle together. So this is me stirring it together. Look at inside the pot. This is me stirring it together so that everything will look shaken. So I put Maggi to make it look taste sweet. I put salt also. Then I will another 1.5 Maggi, one and a half cube of Maggi. That's what I used. Then you rub. I forgot pot. I rub spoon inside the pot. I remove it back. So I stir it. I make sure I stir it. So it is on the fire now. I'm stirring it so that everything will distribute equally. So I tasted it and it was not far inside it. So I put in more salt inside it. This is me putting in more salt. So I rub back. I stir it together. After stirring it together, I bring out the egusi. Okay, I bring out the egusi. So I pour the egusi inside it. Make sure the pepper is chinada before you put the egusi. So this is me pressing the ike. Like the egusi see, then you the egusi see more. Then you don't mind me. Then you leave it on fire like this for like 2 minutes. I don't know. Pour out this leaf. I think it's a good leaf. Then stir everything together. Roll everything. Make sure that your fire is minimum so that it won't roll. I put in a little bit of water. Diarosi, the one that we bought before, the one that we've done before. I dash in or after that I stir it together. After I cover it and allow it to cook. Then this is me after some minute and this is me seeing it. The aftermath, okay, the after finish of it, stirring it together. The egusi has swallow and as I don't know the English for that, so I'm stirring it so that it won't burn. It's already burning downside. So this is me finishing the egusi. The egusi is ready for consumption. So I get started with the what is this called? Semovita. This is me after pouring the semovita in the water and the spoon I want to use the omoruku. My mom will say prepare everything together, prepare everything so that when you are cooking, okay, this is me after I pour the semo is not semoi. It's turned hard. So this is me stirring it so that it will distribute after putting it come on from fire. So this is me stirring so that there won't be cocoa inside. So after stirring it, I put it back on fire with water. Pour water, enough water, so that it will soften the semo, so that it will cook very well. I don't know how you cook your own semo, but this is how I cook my own semo. So I stir it so that it will cook very well. This is me. So I stir it again. You can see the hand movement. You will know this is an expert in doing it. Oh God, who is this guy? So I left it on fire, pour another water. It is not still stuffed for my liking. So I stir it. There is still fire ongoing. I stir it. Motion roll. Títí tó fi roll. After it has stuffed and softened to my I still put water. After putting water, okay, I see that it is okay for consumption. Yes, so I put out the fire. You can see it is still coming out now. It is end result. So I roll up. Look at the hand movement again. You can see this guy is perfect. This guy is an expert in doing this. So I stir it. I roll up. I make sure that there is no cocoa inside. So this is me after the first round of roll papoing. So I serve it inside the plate, very small. I don't have any backup. I would take it. So 2, I put it down, serve another step. I roll up again so that it will sengemenze. Sure you get. After that, I put another plate. You know, I invited the friend to come over so that we eat together. I'm the only one living at home, but I invited a friend. I see that the semo is too much for me to handle, so I put another one on the friend zone. So this is me, this is it, and this is it. So I brought out the egusi. Okay, you can see the egusi looking nice and good. Oh, serve the egusi with meat. So this is after finishing it. So there is this saying online. If you are feeling sad and if you are feeling depressed, eat first. After eating, you can think about other things. Don't you eat well, don't you? Pray for me that I don't overeat. Pray before you eat. May the Lord provide our daily bread. This is the end of the video. See you when I see you.